Think you need hours at the gym to see results? Think again. Welcome to your 10-minute full-body workout. No equipment, no excuses, just you, your body, and the will to move. In just a few minutes, you'll ignite your metabolism, strengthen muscle, and boost your confidence. A 10-minute routine can burn roughly 100 calories depending on intensity. Our bodies crave consistent movement, and quick workouts can build sustainable habits. Ready to transform? Let's get started. Life can get busy. Work deadlines, family commitments, and errands often push fitness to the bottom of our priority list. It's easy to tell yourself you'll start tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes. Research from personal trainer Lauren Level shows that long workouts can feel overwhelming, leading many to skip exercise entirely. Today, we break down that barrier. 10 minutes is achievable, effective, and designed to fit any schedule. By embracing brief, consistent sessions, you'll build a habit that lasts. Let's prove that small sessions deliver real results. Ready to make these 10 minutes count? First, we'll warm up. Begin with jumping jacks for 30 seconds. Stand tall, feet together, arms at your sides. Jump feet out wide as arms lift overhead, then return. Keep your breath steady and land softly on your toes. Keep your shoulders relaxed and chest open as you move. Focus on activating your core from the first rep. Imagine energy flowing through every limb. Feel your heart rate rise, preparing muscles for action. Next up, high knees for 30 seconds. Drive one knee toward your chest, then switch quick. Keep your core engaged, landing lightly on each foot. Pump your arms to maintain momentum. This dynamic warm-up will increase blood flow, reduce injury risk, and get you ready for the main workout ahead. Great warm-up. Let's flow into our circuit. 5 moves, 40 seconds each, with 15-second breaks. Focus on form, not speed. Now we move into the main circuit. First exercise, squats for 40 seconds. Position your feet hip-width apart and distribute your weight evenly. Hinge back at your hips, keep your chest open, and push your glutes back as if sitting into an invisible chair. Bend your knees until thighs are parallel to the floor. Engage your core, maintain a neutral spine, and avoid letting your knees collapse inward. Press through the heels to stand tall, squeezing glutes at the top. Breathe in as you lower, exhale on the rise. Each controlled rep strengthens quads, hamstrings, glutes, and challenges your stability. Focus on precision, not speed, and embrace the burn. It signals progress. Great work. Catch your breath for 15 seconds. Walk around or gently sway to keep blood flowing. Drink a small sip of water. Stay mindful of your form and positive mindset. Next up, push-ups. Time for push-ups. 40 seconds. Begin in a high plank position with hands shoulder-width apart and wrists stacked under shoulders. Extend your legs behind you, squeezing glutes to keep hips in line. Draw your shoulders down and back to protect your neck. Engage the core and tighten the legs. Bend your elbows, keeping them at a 45-degree angle as you lower toward the floor. Lower with control until your chest is just above the ground. Exhale forcefully to push back up, fully extending arms. If full push-ups feel too challenging, drop to your knees while keeping a straight line from head to knees. Focus on quality over quantity. Each perfect press builds upper body strength and stability. Imagine pushing the world away from you with each rep. Visualize strong arms and a powerful core emerging from your effort. This move sets the tone for the entire circuit. Rest for 15 seconds. Your muscles earned it. Shake out your shoulders and legs. Feel pride in completing the push-ups. Remember, each rest fuels your recovery. Next is the plank. Brace yourself. Now plank for 40 seconds. Lower into a forearm plank, aligning elbows under shoulders. Engage your midsection by drawing the belly button toward the spine. Squeeze glutes, quads, and upper back to form a straight line from head to heels. Avoid overarching or dropping your hips. Breathe deeply. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Feel your entire body working as one unit. This is a test of endurance and mental strength. Hold firm as fatigue sets in. Your core is the foundation of all movement. Mastering this plank builds resilience and stability for every exercise ahead. Picture your body growing stronger with every second you hold. You're training more than muscles. You're forging determination. Rest for 15 seconds. You've hit the midpoint. Every second counts. Trust the process. Brief workouts like this build lasting habits. Next, alternating lunges for 40 seconds. Stand tall with hands on hips or raised at chest height. Step your right foot forward, bending both knees to 90 degrees. Keep your front knee tracking over your ankle and your back knee hovering above the floor. Press through your front heel to return to starting position, then switch legs. Maintain an upright torso and engage core throughout. Imagine lunging toward your goals with each step. This move enhances balance, coordination, and lower body strength by targeting quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Control the tempo. Lower slowly and rise powerfully. Consistency here translates into real-world strength and stability. Rest for 15 seconds. Catch your breath and refocus. Feel your legs regain power. Last exercise, mountain climbers. By blending strength and cardio, you boost metabolism long after this workout ends. Mountain climbers for 40 seconds. Start in a high plank with hands under shoulders and body in a straight line. Drive your right knee toward your chest explosively, then immediately switch legs, bringing your left knee forward. Maintain a quick pace while keeping hips low and core tight. Press the floor away with your hands, engaging shoulders and chest. Let each drive be powerful yet controlled. This move elevates heart rate, challenges your cardiovascular system, and sculpts your abs. With each swap of legs, envision climbing a mountain. Every rep brings you closer to the summit. Push past discomfort. You're stronger than you know. Keep breathing, keep moving, and give it everything you have. Trust your body's capacity to surprise you. You're on the home stretch. Let your determination shine through every pulse. Great job on that circuit. You powered through every exercise, igniting your major muscle groups and boosting your heart rate. This combination of strength and cardio delivers maximum results in minimal time. Keep this routine in rotation to see continuous progress and sustainable fitness gains. Now let's cool down and stretch. Time to cool down. Slowly lower yourself to the floor for gentle stretches. Begin by lying on your back and drawing both knees toward your chest. Hug your knees and rock gently side to side, releasing tension in your lower back. Next, extend one leg straight on the floor and pull the opposite knee into your chest. Hold for 20 seconds, then switch sides. Now sit up and extend your legs. Reach forward toward your toes, feeling a stretch in your hamstrings. Next, cross one ankle over the opposite knee in a figure 4. Pull the uncrossed leg towards you, opening the hip. Finally, stand up tall, interlace fingers overhead, reach up, then bend to each side for a lateral stretch. Breathe deeply with each movement, allowing your heart rate to return to normal. You delivered effort. You deserve this care. Finish by taking a moment of gratitude for your body. Reflect on your effort and progress. Carry this strength into your day. Subscribe now for daily 10-minute workouts that fit any schedule.